Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have my canvas with a t-shirt on. So, if you didn't guess already, I will use this Arteza fabric paints. I played a little bit to see how this paints look like, what is the consistency and all the other things, and I must say that I have some troubles with it. I really don't know how this will work, so let's see. So this is my white fabric, white, not regular acrylics, because I want to be to have this pattern of a flower dip on the t-shirt, and that it be washable and all the other things. Because how to use: before you shake or stir, use airbrush, stamp or other tool to apply to the fabric. Before heat settings, make sure paint is completely dry. To heat set, select the correct temperature for the fabric and iron the reverse side of at least 30 seconds. So it may be diluted with up to 25% water, suitable for machine washing and tumble drying, permanent, washer and dryer safe, non-toxic. So let's see. I don't know if I can torch this or not, and I will apply some white paint. Maybe I should wait and do the spiral first. Probably I will not spread it just now. I will just do a spiral first, and I will not do I will not do a spiral, I think. Or maybe I will. Whoops. And the consistency is a little different than my other paints, and it's not the same to pour out of this as it is while I do with my squeeze bottles. This is gold. And I will leave some white between, I think. Ooh, it's hard to do a spiral with this. I already see that. And I have this magenta kind of, it's pink, called pink, and I will use I don't know if I want to use yellow, or I will grab just some black maybe. They come in this 2 oz bottles, So I don't know, obviously this black is thicker than other paints, I don't know. Maybe I will add some red, because I think that I lost it. I will just do like this. And now I will spread this white on my fabric just with fingers, just to have a wet surface, because I think that this maybe it's necessary. I don't know, I didn't paint on fabric before, so I really don't know what to expect. So I will just take my glove off, because I don't want to mess it here on this side. So let's see. I don't know if I will be able to press this enough to get some kind of pattern. We will see. I just need a clean towel to put it here. So let's see what will happen. Yay! I just don't have paint here, but otherwise I think that it's quite okay. So I think that I will leave it like it is, because I don't want to mess around too much, because I don't know what will happen if I will. I will just try to fix some areas. It's not a spiral, but it's a flower. So I will just try to Oops, I was out of the frame because I just don't want to put it here, because I will torch this a little bit, and I think that this will be drying a few days, so I will keep you informed how this will drying. That's all. I just don't know why I don't have paint here, but otherwise I think that I can do a flower dip on the fabric. See? Yay! I'm happy. So I will oops, and I'm just tempted to redip it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'll just put some what if I try to add some paint here and redip it? This is just an experiment, so we can do this. I think that I will add a little more of red and gold. And this pink too, because I like it. And some black. And I will try to redip it. And now I will put my clean gloves on, so I will not mess it on the back side. Maybe I should tape, put some plastic on it or something. So let's see. I think that this is better, and maybe I will grab another fabric when I will stop my video, and I will redip this on the what is left on the surface. This pink is beautiful, and this gold too, I think. So definitely we can do a flower dip on fabric. I can't wait to see how this will dry. So I will, oops, I hope that I didn't mess it on the back. I will take you for a close-up now. Oops, sorry, it's just so different than my other pours that I'm just confused. You see, you get the exact same effect as on canvas, I think. You get cells. I didn't get lacing. Maybe I will definitely try to do dips on the fabric again, and with some other maybe combination, color combination. This was just the first try to see if we can get a flower dip on our t-shirt? And the answer is yes, we can. See this gold? It's beautiful. So, yay! I'm so excited that I will be able to play and do some unique flower patterns on my t-shirts. Tell me what you think about it, and if you try, maybe pour on the fabric with fabric paints. I will put the Arteza link in my description too, so you can see what kind of fabric paints they have. If you want to try it yourself, you can use the link in the description, so you can. I get some small commissions out of it. Or just subscribe, like, comment, and can't wait to try more with these paints. This is it for the first time flower dip on t-shirts. See you on the next one. Bye!